Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNA Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in last video, I was working on setting arrangement of bus detail page where I have to develop R1, R2, R3, R4. Okay, sitting with the database communication. So for this, come to Sublime Text Editor and provide some PHP script for the R1, R2 sheets. And before doing this, we need to add data for R1, R2, okay, because we hadn't created any data for sheet number R1, R2, R3, R4. So first let me create that. Just change the name to R1. Sorry. So here we go, we have added the data for R1, R2 sheets, and now we have to add this data in our PHP script using the sheet status and sheet number. So for this, copy this line of code . From here, from line number 203 to 228, and paste it here. $358, $386, okay. Remove this code because there are two div tags available with the same class attribute and same value. So remove one div and left one div as it is. Now okay, this is good. 0 and R1. Okay, here the content should be changed. No, it should be 12. R1. And here 13 index. And the content will be R2. In the same way, the index will be 14, 15 for the R3, R4 correspondingly. So copy this line of code. From line number 361 to 383 and paste it in on line number 388. (14, 15 and 16). R5. Okay, this is enough. We will update the sheet according to our needs later on the videos. Now move to the page to see changes for R1, R2. So as you can see, they are coming right. We have written a PHP script till R6, so it is visible as per our requirement. Now come to comment section, where we will provide a comment functionality so that any users can provide a comment or feedback for a specific bus journey. Okay, so for this, come to Salon Text Editor. Okay, I think left it in this video. We will continue with the comment section in next video. Thank you. See you in next video.